Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect existing domain or how to connect domain to your Shopify store. So I'm going to show you some steps how you can add pre-existing domain that you do have and connect it to your Shopify store. So you can see here now I'm currently on the dashboard of Shopify. Now you are going to want to make sure that you are head over to the settings page and you are going to make sure that in the settings there is going to be a panel here. Now at the very bottom it should be 7th to last here, it should be domains. You are going to click on that. Once you do that, you should be able to see that we actually have the option to buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. So for example, in this video I'm actually going to connect an existing domain and I'm using Namecheap right now for my domain. So you can actually purchase a domain here for pretty cheap, and basically we have to click on this little connect existing domain button here, and we are going to go ahead and copy our domain right here. So and then just paste it onto Shopify right here, click next, and now once you do that it will give you follow settings instruction here. Now it will give you a video that you can follow, but I'm going to go ahead and sum it up for you. So basically you are going to go ahead on your domain settings here. Basically you have to make sure that you head over to the advanced DNS settings of your domain, or just go ahead and click on advanced DNS. Make sure you actually have a record that points to this IP address. Now make sure you have an ad as a host, and this is the IP address. This IP address is the Shopify IP address, which is going to go ahead and bring the stable connection to your Shopify store, and it's going to connect your domain with your Shopify store and basically pair them together and make your Shopify store with this domain. Once you go ahead and do that, you are going to go ahead and create a CNAME record, and you are going to put the host as www and w, and then you are going to make the value shops.myshopify.com. Now you can set the TTL as automatic as like I did with both of these, and once you do that, that should pretty much it. All you have to do is go ahead and head back to Shopify, and you are going to go ahead and just verify the connection to your domain, and then you can see it went ahead and actually set up my domain with the online store here. So basically just going to go ahead and you could see that the target type is online store, so that means it's connected, and now it's going to go ahead and add SSL to your Shopify or your domain here, and it's safe and secure. So that's how you can add an existing domain or any domain to your Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.